robbed many a man to get my Vincent machine. Now I'm 21 years, I might make 22, and I don't mind dying for the love of you. And if fate should break my stride, then I'd give you my Vincent to ride. Said I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Says James, in my opinion, there's nothing in this world beats a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. For Nortons and Indians and Greases won't do. Don't have a soul like Vincent would be too. So he reaches out his hands and slips her the keys. Says, I have no further use for these. I see angels and Darius and leather and chrome coming down from heaven to carry me home. And he gave her one last kiss and died. And he gave her his Vincent to